Okay, so here is a Sawyer in its framing stage. So you come up through the front door. This is a little entryway. Immediately off to the right, that's the bathroom. And then this is the first front bedroom. Turn around. This is the other bedroom. Turn back around. Back to the entryway. This is the garage. We'll come up this way. Off to our left. This right here, that is the entry door from the garage. Little alcove. This is the laundry room right here. And then into the main room. Turn off to the right here. You want to step into the pantry? That's the pantry right there. And then right here is where we believe the fridge is going to go. And then there's this giant island into the kitchen. And then standing in the kitchen looking out, this is the living room area. This area is like the dining room area. This big opening right here, that is the sliding glass door. And then this is the living room area, which is really big, with a big window. And then off the living room area, come through this little hallway here, make a right into the master bedroom. And then from the master bedroom, there's the back window. From the master bedroom is the master bath. We believe this will be sinks, maybe? Sinks, tub, or shower. I think that's the tub. And then the shower will be there. And then cut through here. And then this is the master closet, which is gargantuan. Stand over in the corner. But that's just the closet. And then the toilet room is right through here. And then I'm going to cheat and cut through the wall. Go this way. And this area right here is the garage. It's just a 2-car garage. But the cool part about it is this whole extra area. And that's like 12 feet by 12 feet. It's huge. Might even be bigger than that. But it's absolutely enormous. That little pedestal back there is where the water heater goes. Right there. But I already called dibs. So. But we found one that was under construction. So we're able to lay some eyes on the whole property. Or the whole building. So it's cool. But now we're going to go back out the front door. But that's a Sawyer.